really worry about nothing. All these people all around me always worry about something, yeah. Saying I should stay up in the books and not start to build a buzz, but they the ones bugging, yeah. So I don't really feel like staying, I don't really feel like playing. Quit fucking with the plans. A couple young kids, polo kicks, not rich, stacking money on a one-way trip, yeah. I ain't really worry about nothing. All these people all around me always worry about something, yeah. Saying I should stay up in the books and not start to build a buzz, but they the ones bugging, yeah. So I don't really feel like staying, I don't really feel like playing. Quit fucking with the plans. A couple young kids, polo kicks, not rich, stacking money on a one-way trip, yeah. I was in the field, always stuck inside my fields, feeling low, don't help with all the snow inside my wheels. Think I need to go and bail, I ain't talking about a jail, but I'm steady locked in, gonna do this shit for real. Bills getting paid when I hop up on that plane, making meals to the grave, smoke blowing at the face, levitating from the grape, and that's all I really need. Used to say I hate it, now it's all I fucking breathe. Blowing steam, all a dream, and the thing real. I'ma need a zip code and my bag sealed. So like how we doing shit, we don't take deals. Contracts be layered, they don't got appeal. Only stay up in my lair, I don't go outside, making move south, going ghost, no poltergeist, headed for the warmer nights. Yeah, the windshield clean and the armor nice. Cop a new whip, even Jones couldn't pay the price. I ain't really worry about nothing. All these people all around me always worry about something, yeah. Saying I should stay up in the books and not start to build a buzz, but they the ones bugging, yeah. So I don't really feel like staying, I don't really feel like playing. Quit fucking with the plans. A couple young kids, polo kicks, not rich, stacking money on a one-way trip, yeah. I ain't really worry about nothing. All these people all around me always worry about something, yeah. Saying I should stay up in the books and not start to build a buzz, but they the ones bugging, yeah. So I don't really feel like staying, I don't really feel like playing. Quit fucking with the plans. A couple young kids, polo kicks, not rich, stacking money on a one-way trip, yeah. Driving down south, first we checking places out. All this lack of money got us planning different routes. Feet planning about to bounce, I ain't coming back when I'm out. Had enough of all the gray, city crying from the clouds, yeah. Hey, they never raised me, hated rain even when I was a baby. Got me stuck up in my room, went crazy. Throwing shade my way, can't sway me. Now they always asking all these questions, testing on my section, I ain't showing no affection. Got me flexing till I think they got the message, it's a given. I ain't talking about my motivation, that's my business. No opinions, you ain't helping reinvent it, you should listen. Sorry that you missed it. Only reason why we on the move, they too close, need some distance, getting elevated. Every weekend I be getting faded, constant overthinking, only moment I evaded. All these people all around me always worry about something.